Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a sponsored Temu haul. Now, I'll leave all the info in the information or in the description box, all the prices that it will be when I post, and the links to where you can go straight to the item if it is still in stock and get you one. So, all the Temu codes will be also in the description box. My personal code to where you can get, I think, like 30% off your first purchase. And then, of course, the Temu app link to where you can get $100 worth of coupons. Okay, with all that said, let's get into this. I have 4 items. So we'll just go with this one first, and it's in a see-through plastic. I was really excited about getting these. I love doing off-canvas items, special shapes, anything like that. They're just really fun. So this was $3.30, and it comes with a regular toolkit. This is a white boat, see-through pink wax, and a white, a see-through single placer. I don't think I've ever gotten a white boat because they're always green, so that's different. So this is what it is, and it is only the one side is all that we're going to be diamond painting. The other side is just, just the picture, looks like. Am I correct? Yes, I am. Alright, so it does have this plastic film on both sides, so that's what keeps it protected. You take and peel this off in order to place your drills. If I can get a hold of it. Okay. I just need one little spot to come up. Sometimes this can be a pain. There we go. Alright, so you just peel the cellophane up. Very, very sticky. It comes with a base, which is also covered with the plastic. Once you get done, you just put it right in that, and it just stands on your desk, just like that. So, let's look at the drills. I hope you're all having a great week. Today is Wednesday, the 23rd. So it comes with this little schematic that shows the colors. Also has the DMC codes. That's pretty cool. And y'all, where we've been getting such cold weather today and yesterday, it's been 80 degrees. We're all going to be sick. I had my windows open today. So all of these look like they're just regular crystals. Just different colors. And then these are just round crystals. They're just the bigger ones. So no special shapes. Just the larger crystals right there. But I wish all of these little things came with that. I think that's pretty neat. Especially if you save these drills. That's a good reference so that you can, have as your, for the codes. Okay, so, again, this was $3.30. and I will leave it in the description box if it's still available. Alright, so the next thing that I got was another off canvas. I gave $3.89 for this. Now, I don't know which one or how much, but I check my orders every single day. Sometimes a couple, 2 or 3 times a day, and check for price adjustments. Because if there is a price adjustment, they will give it to you back in credit. So, this is what I got. And you can see there are 2 holes. There's one, and then there's one. And then the chain is right there. You just hook this on there, and it hangs, you know, at your door, window, whatever. Comes with the regular toolkit. And everything's very clear. I just really like this one. And again, it's just one-sided. These are all acrylic. And then when you get done, you can take the plastic off the back too. It just keeps it from getting scratched. Because a lot of people are like, well, what's the point in them putting the plastic covering over the back if you ain't got to do it? It's just protecting it from getting scratched. So, what is in this one? Looks like we have got just the regular crystals, very bright colors. And then we've got some yellow flowers. We've got some silver stars. And then we have some gold stars. So that is neat because that's different. Now, I may or may not do these before Halloween, because today, like I said, is the 23rd. But I don't care. I can pull these out in January and do them. It doesn't matter to me. But right there is where the little flowers go. And then there's one of the stars, probably the silver. And I bet those, I don't know. We had silver and gold, so who knows? That might be a mix. So, I really like this one. This one's really neat. I like it. Okay. So, here is another one. Now, this one I gave $3.69 for. And again, I do know I got some price adjustments. So, there's no telling what this actually cost me. Alright, so regular toolkit. Here's the gems. Here is the bottom. And this is what I got with this one. I just love these. I thought they were really cute. I just love the colors. So, not very many drills in this one, I don't think. Doesn't feel like it anyway. Nope. So, very bright crystals. And then we have the big green round ones. So, not very many on this one. So, here is this one. And again, it's acrylic, and it's just one-sided. Once you complete it, you'll put it on the little stand, and it just sits up on your desk. I really, really like these. Very cute, inexpensive decorations for Halloween if you're on a budget, but you like to decorate. Alright, and then this is the last one. Now, I don't know if Jack is going to do anything official about, I gave $4.38 for this one. If you know Jack, and if you don't, I'll leave a link to her YouTube channel in my description box and her Facebook channel. Now, I think this is just going to be for fun. But she is going to do an event next year. Starts in January, I do believe. Y'all will have to go check her channel out, and I'm sure before the first of the year she'll have more details. But as of right now, it's in the works that she is going to be doing a year-long event. And it is, you know, like I said, it's for funsies. But it's 100 specials, or 100 partials in a year, I think's how she's doing it. I don't know. I don't want to misword anything because, you know, I don't want to say anything that's not correct. So I'm just going to leave her Facebook group and her YouTube channel in my description box. Y'all go check it out. She has mentioned it in a couple of her videos. And this is the kind of stuff that she's talking about. Coasters, these little off-canvas projects, stickers, anything that is a partial or specials, I think. But it's like, just going to see if you can do 100 of them within the year. So, here is a regular toolkit. Here is the bottom. And then here is the image. And I really like this one. And as you can see, it's like a witch right here. There's a jack-o'-lantern. Here is a pumpkin. There's a couple pumpkins. And then the moon is all right there. It's acrylic, one-sided. Really like it. And like I said, I gave $4.38 for this one. And there's only 5 colors. So, we have some silver stars. Then purple crystals, orange crystals. A bunch of just black. And then green crystals. Not much to it. But it is just really, really cute. So, which one is y'all's favorite? I don't know. I like them all. So, I don't think I could just pick one. So, I like them all. I don't know how well. I know there is, like, I'm always have freaking glare. So, it is what it is. So, yeah. So, which one do y'all like best? I like those because they look like they go together. Or like they would go together. And then these are just like cutesy. So, alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And like I said, I'll leave the links to everything in my description box. And I do hope you're all having a great week. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.